A new law that bans the use of handheld cell phones while driving or stopped at a stoplight went into effect in Pennsylvania on Thursday. How do local drivers feel about the law? WTAJ's Leanna Wells hit the streets to ask them about it.
It takes 5 seconds to crash, and it is a split hot second.
When a new law goes into effect, everyone has an opinion on it, whether they're in favor or against it.
I don't think it makes sense.
The same goes for Paul Miller's law, which makes it illegal to use a handheld cell phone while driving, even while stopped temporarily because of traffic or a red light. The law is named after Paul Miller Jr., who was killed after a tractor-trailer driver who was reaching for his cell phone lost control and crashed into Miller's car. Aubrey Bloom is working on getting her permit so she can learn how to drive. Although she's not on the road yet, she thinks the law is a good idea, and drivers should ask the passenger to communicate for them.
I feel like that people who are distracted by their phones have a better chance of getting involved in a crash, and they might get in an injury or maybe even death.
According to PennDOT data, in 2024, there were nearly 10,000 crashes involving a distracted driver, resulting in more than 6,000 injuries and 49 fatalities. Savannah Metz rides in the passenger seat. She admits she's traveled in a car where someone has been distracted by their phone, but says it hasn't really affected her.
I think personally that it's okay because, what if you get a call and it's an emergency, and especially being the parent of a child, I'd want to know if something's going on with my baby.
The law allows some exceptions for drivers, such as calling 911 to report an emergency or if the phone is paired to Bluetooth or CarPlay. Drivers can also use their phones if the vehicle is safely pulled off the road and not moving. Written warnings will be issued to drivers until June 5th, 2026. After that, violators will face a $50 fine plus court costs and other fees.
I work as a LPN in the emergency room, so I can see what happens when you're a distracted driver and have an accident. So I would rather not see you there. So please stay off your phones.
Reporting for WTAJ News, I'm Leanna Wells.